And once you get your acting down, you've got your reading down, you got your voice placement, now you get your tape. And you make a tape not more than 3 minutes long in a story format with, well, my example is garden party or casting office. Going to a casting office, hi, I'm looking for a couple of villains, a couple of heroes, a couple of side guys. Well, I just happen to have here, and then you bring out your voices. And you make it not more than 3 minutes long, put it into a nice box with a nice jacket, and then you send it out to all the places like Nelvana and I don't know who the cartoon character people out here are, but I think Nelvana is the big one. And take it to them and take it to the casting agents to get you into the audition. I'm dwelling on this a lot because it's a long question, but I hope you're not bored by it too much. Anyway, what happens in a cartoon audition is there's probably about 200 or 300 people that will show up, well, will be called in to read 15 characters. Now, you know you're not going to get them all. You may get one, you might not get any, but you have to make it through the process. And they narrow it down to about 10 people. And of those 10 people, 8 of them will get the job. So how do you get the job over everybody else? It's hard to say. All I can say to you is that you be the best actor that you can be and have a really good grasp of what the physicality of the character is that you're trying to portray. My favorite thing is find out how that character laughs. Once you figure out the laugh of the character, you usually figure out the character. But that's the way you go about it.
Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome.